What's up guys? Pau Salud Pauka Sports. Nandito tayo sa Rizal Memorial Stadium at kakatapos ko lang mapanood yung Kia tuloy Terra Firma Jeep at panalo po ang Terra Firma Jeep against Blackwater Elite. Nandito tayo, no? Ito yung Rizal Memorial Stadium at actually I'm pleasantly surprised na nanalo ang Terra Firma. Tambak sila all the way, kaya hindi ako masyado nanonood ng Terra Firma kasi alam naman natin medyo talunan po sila in the past, but you know, I'm very proud of them. Actually, in my vlogs, abangan nyo po yung behind the scene vlogs ko. Nagpaikot-ikot ako dito. I was telling on my vlog na sana manalo ang Terra Firma para mabago naman. And looks like the PBA is changing. In times na, during the times na nagpapalit din sila ng venue, mukhang Terra Firma also making some change. They're still on the winning record. The last time I checked, 3 wins, 2 defeats. At yung Blackwater, 3 wins, 2 defeats na rin. So, the final score was 92-91. Tama ba ako? 92-91. And ang nagpanalo talaga, which abangan nyo yung sa Pauka Sports Facebook page yung Reels, pinost ko yung last shot ni Tiongson. Tapang nitong bata na to, no? So, Tiongson scored actually 20 points. Hindi masyado maganda yung shooting, but sabi nga nila, shooters gonna shoot, and that's what Tiongson did. Tiongson time, kumbaga, no? And he took the last shot, it went in, it rattles in, umikot-ikot pa doon sa ring, but nonetheless it went in. But the player of the game went to Stephen Holt with 21 points, 6 out of 11 shooting, and maganda rin yung ginawa ni Go. So total team effort. Actually, hindi ko nga napansin, kala ko hindi na makakahabol yung Terra Firma, pero parang pagtingin ko sa score, kasi hindi na ako masyado tumitingin sa score sa bandang huli, yung pala nakakahabol na, and nakahabol nga, and on the real final shot, I mean, Blackwater had a chance to win it again, but wala silang na-set na play. So I don't know why they didn't call a timeout at the very last part, but nonetheless it's a very good win for the Terra Firma Jeep. Sana magganon-ganon, magtuloy-tuloy, kasi sila yung I hate to say this, but I gotta be honest with you, parang sila yung parang bottom team lagi sa PBA. So hopefully, I'm not expecting them to go to sana mag-playoffs. I'm not expecting them to win a championship, but it will be a big deal for their franchise, lalo na they have great players that like Holt, no, na maraming umaasa na kaya niyang buhatin yung team. So hopefully wag lang sila mag-bottom, and winning record is fine, and good yun. I don't know kung how many times pa sila maglalaro dito sa Rizal Memorial Stadium. Ang alam ko sa Ninoy Aquino, nakausap po kanina si Kome, sabi sa Ninoy Aquino daw mas marami, but nonetheless it's a very good game for Terra Firma. Baka gusto ng Terra Firma dito na lagi maglaro para manalo. Anyway, that's what happened, and Blackwater, ano ba nangyari sa Blackwater? Rosario 23 points. Swerte maganda, pero yung Nambatak at saka Hill at saka Ilagan, medyo hindi masyado maganda yung mga shooting eh. So, yun guys. Please share, like, and comment. Watch out for ito, ipopost ko na kagad ito para updated kagad kayo sa scores at saka sa report ko. But I'm also gonna be doing a write-up for the PBA as a whole, no? As a whole na lang pag-uwi sa bahay. And this will be included on the long form behind the scenes. But shout out guys, sana supportahan niyo po yung aking coverage sa PBA, and suggest, usually guys, sa boxing we know how to do the behind the scenes, who to interview and the fans, pero dito tulungan niyo ako, kung sino ba yung kung ano ba yung style para mas maganda po yung ating coverage. Salamat guys.